ever done it in this hangar.
Destroy the weapons or get them up to the van.
What?
Getting them to the van will get us more cash. They're deploying SWAT units. Get ready to
What do you say, lady?
I don't think I've ever done this mission in this
The
hangar.
longer it takes, the more cops are going to show up.
Oh. I see. You want me to be your first?
No. No.
Wah.
A bear,
You've
he's
never
hitting
done
on
it in this
me.
hangar.
Wah.
Both me and Paul have the make you run faster skill. So he can yell at me and I can yell at you, and together we'll have a yelling orgy.
That doesn't sound good.
It sounds wonderful.
No.
Yeah.
Well, actually, yeah, it would. If it was like a whole bunch of guys with like really sexy voices, that would be a yelling orgy.
Suck my dick, motherfucker.
Ammo over here.
Nice! I got a super Jimmy. Cuff yourself.
Is this all? No, there's
You
more.
just killed my Jimmy, like as soon as I took control of it.
Well,
Who
too
did?
bad. Can you two back up? I can't
Oh
see
god,
shit.
I'm being chased and there's bulldozers looking at me.
Yeah, get
Yep.
away from the door.
In fact, it hurts us.
Door? My Jimmy's still alive. Oh god, where the fuck did you guys come from?
China.
That's racist.
You're right.
That's racist!
I find it weird that you're able to
Packages.
find packages on the escapes. It's like, what does Gage just kind of throw them around everywhere he goes?
Yes.
Those packages.
He races around in his wheelchair, just throwing. He's like Santa Claus, except.
With weapon mods.
Yep.
Wait, are you implying that Santa doesn't give us weapon mods?
Alright, everybody down at the doorway.
At least not in Canada, I don't think.
I just told a Coke bag to put its hands up. A beer
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
That
Put your
seems like
hands up,
something
fucking
Wolf would say.
Oh, you didn't put it
I
out in
don't
the
know.
light, we should go to the road.
Ow.
Oh no, I killed him!
Sniper,
There's
oh
a
god.
sniper.
There are a lot of.
Oh god, there's a cloaker! Oh!
Oh, he is. Oh.
Got him. It's a federal bullshit
left.
investigator.
Look, those doors aren't going to hold up
Operation.
when they start shooting.
I'm sorry, do those exist? I would understand that their job would either be very busy, or they're not doing their job at all.
1900.
Cloaker's an angel? Lol.
Sorry, probably.
I love chains, man. Okay, you know how when your character masks up, they say little quips while they do
Yes.
so? And you know how some of changes are like, no jinxies, and alright, let's make some money?
Yeah.
One of his, he actually says, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Huh.
So he actually, like, says a prayer while he's putting his mask on.
Y'all, active learner coming through. Who wants to help me apply some knowledge?
through!
I still know frickin' pit girl lines. Or combat girl lines, actually. They're not pit girl
I thought you just said shit girl line. Wow! Rough.
Well,
Assassin envy much.
Hey, no envy. It's just pure anger. We hate
Right.
each other
Let us
so
chig.
much.
Let us chig.
Who hates who? What?
Assassin and pit girl.
Combat girl and the assassin.
Assault waves up.
I don't know why
Yell
you
at me.
get-
I'm really
I don't know
slow.
why you get rammed. It's not ready yet.
Because the van gets here, like, right after that first assault phase.
Oh, it's right here.
like 30
It's coming
seconds.
Down the road.
Ah!
Yep.
It like ran into me.
User entered your channel.
So many things.
OW!
That's Grot.
Is that a crot? We may never know if
No,
they,
that's Paul.
they
that's
decide to speak or not. They could just be like a random
Paul.
I heard-
paper.
I heard breathing.
It's a very nice everything you have there. Hi, Paul's. Going up.
Paul's just gonna be quiet.
Paul's throwing up.
Maybe it's not Paul's, maybe it's a hacker and they're like, well, I wonder what the Seagull Brothers is doing today.
Now give them hell.
Because, you know, we do a lot of important stuff here.
We do.
I just noticed there's a light bulb there, a hanging light bulb, and then there's a light, like, right next to it. Like, why do you need all those lights?
Oh, you're right. There is.
You're almost dead.
Don't bring a shield to a shield.
Don't bring a shield to
You
a
sound
sniper
so
rifle fight.
depressed when you said that.
Job done. You just
Abir, you sounded depressed. You sounded like someone had their thumb and was pushing you into the earth.
on the way.
Someone had what?
Someone took their thumb and was pushing you down, so you were flattening.
Oh.
Yeah, the other day I was depressed. You see, someone took me and pushed me so hard that I left an imprint on the thing behind me. Yeah, doesn't it just make it look really metallic and, like, blended rather than...
Makes it look like blood on, like,
Ice cream.
ice cream. Yeah. It looks really
I
bad.
was eating ice cream and apple pie.
Diabetes!
What is that from?
It's from the diabetes. The,
Oh, is
not the diabetes. Yeah, it is a diabetes commercial.
I forgot about that joke.
Alright, I've got the last pack. Let's go.
Coke.
What's Coke?
It's Coke? This isn't Coke, this is weapons.
These are made.
They're weapons that are
Murderous
made...
weapons of weaponizing.
They weaponize coats.
Weaponized coats.
Weaponized...
What?
Weaponized coats. That's
I
awesome.
I heard they made weaponized coats. Doesn't matter. Chugga 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 chase.
Did somebody just like jump on my face because I suddenly saw somebody's ass?
That was probably me, because I like jumped onto the point.
Some fries, motherfucker.
We came out a little short.
Rise.
Let's just play along and try to solve the rat problem.
Alright, motherfucker.
Wrong size, motherfucker.